Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start immediately by confirming your iPad is updated and iCloud backups are active so entries stay safe. Once done, pick a single journaling app or the built-in notes and create a dedicated notebook. This prevents scattered logs. Next, design a simple template with date, time, mood, and tags to make entries searchable. Use Apple Pencil for handwriting or type. The template speeds entry and enforces consistency. Make sure to test one quick entry to validate sync and layout. You now focus on capturing content deliberately. Start each log with a YIMMDD headline plus a concise title so sorting stays reliable. Once done, combine typed notes, short voice memos, and photos or scan documents to preserve context. This multimodal approach makes entries richer and searchable. Make sure to add tags for topics, people, and priority so filtering pulls up relevant logs instantly. Also, periodically move long-form reflections into monthly summaries to keep daily entries short, and you finish by reviewing and locking the habit. Perform a weekly review where you summarize insights, archive old entries, and export key pages as PDF for backups. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled so every device shows the same journal. If you use multiple accounts, export manually to avoid gaps. If syncing or missing entries occurs, force close the app, reboot the iPad, and verify iCloud and internet status. If that fails, export local copies and re-import after re-signing into.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.